Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard Disney Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix fast charging not working in your Samsung S20 FE. So yes, at first and the very beginning, I have to tell you that you have to check the cable and charger for damage or compatibility. The compatibility is very important because in iPhones, for example, it doesn't really matter which charger you use. If it's Bezos, if it's something else. The same as in the Vivos, in the Honors, the Googles, Oppos. Yes, but Samsung uses chips in their own chargers that has to be compatible with your phone. I mean, the Samsung chargers are compatible with every Samsung phone, and only mainly Samsung chargers are compatible with fast charging your phone. As it goes to the, for example, Bezos, if they don't use this chip like Samsung uses, you can't charge your phone quickly. So yes, this is the main thing. Check in the, for example, ChatGPT or something like that, your charger model where you bought it, and put it and type if you can charge Samsung phone fast with this charger, and ask for the chip. It should give you the information about that, or Google just it. As for the cable and charger damage, yes, it's easy. Check for the cable damage and check for everything. Try trying different chargers, different cables, and check it. Apart from that, here, as you can see, we do have the charging port, and here I do recommend to clean it with not metal tool. I forgot to take my cleaner with me, but here it is. As you can see, this is the Temu cleaner, which is the cheapest cleaner that you can find actually, and I do recommend this type of cleaners. So, as you can see here, we do have some brush. For example, you can take this one right here, and as you can see, this is very soft brush. Now let's take our charging port with us and try cleaning this port. Maybe at first let's try to remove the case at first, and then let's do the rest. We can do something like that and clean our charging port. Of course, we have to do this with the caution, without any strength, etc. Remember that. You can use plastic things, wooden things, but don't break them. But don't use metal things because you can damage the charging port. I mean, you can use, but you can damage the charging port, so I don't recommend that. I usually do this with the metal things, with the metal tools, because I don't have other ones. So yes. So now our charging port should be cleaned. And now you can check if it works. If it does, that's great. But if it doesn't, now we have to go to settings. Here, straight from the settings, we have to go into the battery and device care over here, tap battery, and here scroll till you see charging settings. Enable the fast charging and fast wireless charging. This is the thing that has to be enabled. Now, as you can see, if we have this switch to the right and it's blue, it means that it's enabled. Apart from that, test with another fast charger or outlet. It's really important to check it. And if all these tips didn't work for you, go back to the settings main menu over here and scroll all the way down to software update. Tap download and install, and here if you have any update for your phone, update your phone immediately. This may be some battery patch that should fix your battery, fix your phone, and yes, your phone may bug because it's an older phone from, as I remember, 2019 or 2020. So yes, it's recommended to have your phone updated to the latest version. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. It's really important to us. If you have some drawbacks or questions to our video, let me know in the comments below. And as I said, that's it. How it helps you, and goodbye.